We look at transactions for which the taxpayer identification number or tax clearance certificate is required from the first schedule of Act 4915. So we look at the tax identification number system. The tax identification number system applies to the following: 1. The Ghana Revenue Authority. 2. The Controller and Accountant General's Department. 3. The Registrar General's Department. 4. Registrar of Companies. 5. The Land Commission. 6. Immigration Service. 7. Passport Office. 8. The Driver and Vehicle Licensing Authority. 9. The Courts. 10. Ministries, departments, and agencies. 11. Metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies. 12. Government, subdivisions of government, and public institutions not listed above. 13. We have persons required to withhold tax under the Income Tax Act 2015, Act 896. And 14. We have banks, insurance companies, and other financial institutions. 15. Manufacturing companies. And 16. Any other institution or person which the ministry may be by regulations prescribe. Uses of the taxpayer identification number for specified transactions. A person shall not be permitted: 1. To clear any goods from any port or factory. So if you don't have the tin, just say that you cannot clear your goods from any port or factory. 2. To register any title to land, interest in land, or any document affecting land. So if you have some land ownership and you want to get it registered, you need to provide your TIN number so that you can go ahead. Then 3. To obtain any tax clearance certificates from the Ghana Revenue Authority. Tax clearance certificates are given. Now, that's when you clear your taxes. So if you don't have the tax clear identification number, that one, the certificates will not be given to you. So firstly, you will not be allowed to clear goods. You can't register any title to land, interest in land, or any document affecting land. You can also obtain your tax clearance certificate from the GRA, as the Ghana Revenue Authority. Now to continue, let's also look at how you can use your TIN numbers going forward. So it can also allow you to obtain a certificate to commence business or a business permit issued by the Registrar General or a local authority. With the TIN too, you can register a cooperative. With the TIN, you can receive payment from the Controller and Accountant General or a local government authority in respect of a contract for the supply of any good, any goods, works, or the provision of services. It also allows you to receive a payment subject to withholding under the Income Tax Act 2015, Act 896. With the TIN, you will be able to file a case with the courts or conduct any official business with the institutions and persons specified in paragraph 1, unless that person quotes the TIN number issued in respect of that person under the system. Also, with professional bodies, you will need your TIN number when you are undergoing a renewal of your practicing license. In summary, if you want to undertake these transactions, that's importation of goods in commercial quantities, customs clearing and forwarding, Application for license under the Customs Act 2015, Act 891. This one, you need a tax clearance certificate. And if you also want title registrations and transactions to land, yes, you need a tax clearance certificate too. And also contracts, including contracts for the supply of goods, works, and services. You also need a tax clearance certificate. Upon the renewal of a practicing license, if you belong to a professional body, you are going to need a tax clearance certificate.